2019 Chevy Camaro. I'm going to show you really quick how to get to your cabin air filter, check it and change it. Okay, come over to your glove box here. You have a damper cord that's connected to the glove box. You're going to disconnect that. All you need to do is stick your hand on it, stick your finger on it and pull it down. It'll disconnect it. You can let it go. It'll go up in there. You'll get it back in a minute. Don't worry. And then there's these stops right here that stop the glove box. You need to push the glove box in to get that around this piece of plastic on both sides. Now on this Camaro, the plastic is pretty hard, okay, and durable, so it's a little tough. So I recommend you start on this side. You have to push really hard. Okay, and then you'll get it past it. See how it's a little bit past it right there? And then on this side here, grab it and pull it. And it's pretty tricky. It's gotta be pretty strong. So, and then the glove box will just fall right down. So your cabin filter is located in this box that's right here. And to get it open, just push on this tab right here. Okay, pull. Same thing on this side. Pull. Alright. You can pull it. You're gonna need to, the way this works is you're gonna push those tabs, pull it up, and then slide it over to the left. Okay, that's the way it works. There's your filter. If you need a new filter, I'll leave a link down in the description box, but you can just yank it right out. This one's super clean because the car is super new. So if you need a new one, link in the description box and get your new one. Push it in there, easy peasy. Okay, then you put your door back on. All you gotta do is, let me see if I can, it's kind of tricky to get the camera up in there. Ooh. Let's push it right on. Okay. Okay, once you get it back on there, you got the damper. You can just pull on it like this, and then go ahead and close the glove box, and then reattach it. So it's a little tricky with one hand. I don't know if I can do it. Alright, so I close it. Just grab it like that. And just stick it in the hole. And then pull it down. Push it up, and there you go. That's it.